Check one, check two. What's up, everyone? Good morning. It's nice to see a recovery. Before we get started, make sure you guys hit the like button. If you appreciate the live stream, go ahead and hit the like button. If you think we are recovering, hit that like button. Because I think we're surely recovering here. Getting a nice V-shaped recovery. It's looking very good. Yeah, yesterday morning when we bottomed out, I put some buy alerts for crypto, like Dogecoin, Cardano, Ethereum, when we were super low. So if you would have made some of those trades, you would be up 45% in some cases. And look at Matic. Matic is up huge. Matic was at 74 cents and is up 125% on the bottom. That's awesome to see. But we're going to be doing some little bit of Dogecoin technical analysis. I'll get started as soon as you guys get these likes up. Share this stream with some of your friends. Let's get the likes up to 400 and I'll do some technical analysis. How about that? What the heck? Why don't you create a video about BTT and its price prediction? Because most of my channel is just about Dogecoin. I do talk about other cryptos. But the channel is mostly about Dogecoin. But we can definitely check out BTT in just a little bit. But did any of you guys buy these dips last night or yesterday morning when everything was super cheap? Look at Polkadot, $20. Polkadot was $50. Polkadot was $50 just a couple weeks ago, and look at it, $20. Look at Ethereum, 2,400, bouncing up pretty strong here. Cryptos are certainly recovering. If you would have bought the Ethereum dip, you would be at the bottom, up 43%, just like I said. If you would have bought the Cardano dip exactly at the bottom or close to it, you would be up 46%. So give or take, most people are up 30-35% in Cardano. And congratulations to those of you who took those trades. If you guys want to get those trades, make sure you check out the Patreon where I do my buy and sell alerts for crypto. It can help to build your portfolio. I can teach you how to do technical analysis. Definitely check it out. I just posted that link. It is the pinned comment right there. Let's get these likes up, guys. We'll go ahead and do some technical analysis. Looking at Bitcoin, we see Bitcoin 37,700. It did go all the way to 31,000. So it's interesting to see that Bitcoin went to the previous level of support. Look at this previous level of support that Bitcoin had in this area right here. This was the previous level of support. It dropped all the way down to the previous level of support. So we are definitely getting a bounce in this area. This is the bounce, but we're actually bouncing up even higher, which is definitely very bullish. We have VeChain at 10 cents. Did anybody buy VeChain? VeChain touched 4 cents. Can you guys believe that? 4 cents. It was at 30 cents. 28 cents. I was there on that day. I sold around 27, 28. So it retraced 84%. But let's see how much it has bounced up from the bottom. We've come up 169%. So yeah, cryptos are about 50% off right now. Everything's at a discount. And we are still in the bull run. My opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, but we are still in a bull run. Everything is on clearance. We're looking at Dogecoin, 33 cents. We're looking at the day chart, so we're seeing a lot of red. So we're not really seeing the full picture. I want to remove this Cardano, Coinbase Cardano. It only goes back so far. Kraken, this is the one we want. There we go. Yeah, that has a lot more history. But look, everything comes back to the support. Everything comes back to the level of support. Look at how many touches we get. So if you do some technical analysis, you can know where the dips are. You can know where you buy. Because every single time we come here, we bounce. Every time we come in this area, we're bouncing. We have so many different touches there and just massive gains. Look, Cardano was $2.50. Just like a week ago. Just a week ago. Let's go ahead and do some Dogecoin technical analysis. Let's see where we are headed. We want to take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram, follow my Twitter. You want to stay updated with some of these good plays, and definitely check out the Patreon. Highly recommend it. So we did have a level of support around 32 cents. This is a very common area, which was resistance, and we just broke out of it. So that is really good to see. Dogecoin broke the level of resistance. And in this particular area, we have a level of resistance there. We have a level of resistance here. We have a level of resistance here. And we're definitely killing it. So let's take a look and see where we are headed. So Dogecoin definitely needs to get up to about 36 cents here. 36 cents is a prime level of resistance that Dogecoin has. And do I think Dogecoin can hit 35 cents in the next few hours? That's very possible. If we continue this strong recovery, like I said would happen, we can easily hit 35, 36 cents. But we definitely have to break past this level of resistance. This level of resistance goes all the way back even to here. Look, we have resistance here and here. And we carry that over. So we definitely have to break that. JR the Gambler. Yeah, I've seen that guy. It's pretty funny, but I don't think he has much of a chance. But what we are seeing here in the Dogecoin chart is called the inverse head and shoulders. An inverse head and shoulders is a very bullish reversal pattern, which pretty much most of the time it plays out, which means we'll get a huge bounce here. And then you also have the bearish situation on that, which would be the regular head and shoulders, which we can definitely see played out up top here. Some people call this a W, some people call it reverse head and shoulders, which is actually playing out right now. So in order for it to work, you have the head here, you have the shoulders here. It's got to break the neckline, and it's already breaking the neckline. So I'm thinking we're going to get a pretty big breakout. And let me tell you exactly what my price target will be. My price target would be about 39 cents. That's the next play. That's the next big run up. We're going to go up to about 39 cents in my opinion. Probably get stopped there and then come down, trade sideways for a little bit before breaking out even further. So that's what it is looking like for us in the cards, especially in the 30-minute time frame. The 1 hour time frame is looking very bullish, 2 hour time frame bullish, 4 hour time frame bullish. Especially if I go ahead and bring out the market cipher. Let's see what these indicators are telling us. Definitely a big buy signal here in the bottom. Another buy signal right here. This blue triangle shows us continuation of this trend, which is bullish. And we are now out of the 2 hour, we're starting to get out of these EMA ribbons. On the 1 hour, we're definitely outside of the EMA ribbons, and then on the 30-minute, we're just outside of it as well. So it's definitely looking bullish. We could get a little bit of a retracement in this area, which I'm expecting somewhere in here, which means we'd probably come down just a little bit, remaining higher than the previous low, and then getting a strong bounce of a continuance to the upside. And if you guys would go ahead and hit the like button, I'd appreciate it. If you love Dogecoin, hit the like button. Make sure you guys check out the Patreon, get buy and sell alerts for crypto. But how many of you guys think that we are going to be, and this is the recovery? Did we hit a bottom yesterday? What is y'all's opinion? Look at Ethereum starting to trend up pretty high here. Same thing with all these other cryptos. They're pretty much forming the same pattern, the same shapes. Bitcoin nearly 38,000. That would have been awesome to buy a Bitcoin at 31,000. Nick, what's up, man? How are you? The weather is great. How's the weather where you're at? Do I think this is the end of the bull run? No, I don't. You think we'll take another dip but still recover? So I've been telling you guys that I think Friday will be a very green day for cryptos. And that's when the futures contracts expire for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm certainly projecting a lot of upwards pressure in crypto, especially on Friday. It's the contracts expire at the last Friday of every month. Robert, how you doing? And the last Friday of the month, which was April, we saw all-time highs for a lot of cryptos, especially Ethereum. Let me show you guys. Let's see if we can find it here. Let me see what day that was actually. April, it was April 30th. Look at this. Take off the market cipher. So look at April 30th. This is the time of April 30th, and it just went up and broke all-time highs. And it was gone, and it went up for so many days afterwards. So that way I'll do the day chart. Look for April 30th. So this was April 30th right here. And here. But the days leading up to it, like 4 or 5 days. Then we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 green days in a row. 17 green days in a row. Let's look at Dogecoin. What happened around this time? So on the 26th, 4 days before the last Friday of the month, which would be about tomorrow, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 green days in a row for Dogecoin. So we should start to see some of that upwards good volatility for Dogecoin and for some of these cryptos. And that's very consistent with the last Friday of each month. And we can take a look at the last time. Look, the last time it happened as well, in February. We see a lot of green towards the end of the month. Let's look at March. Let's see what happened last March. Look, after the first Friday, we got a massive pump. So look at that, all of that green. So that's why it's good to do technical analysis. That's why it's good to get these updates on the Patreon so that you guys can figure out with some good advice what is next, where are we headed. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. The Bitcoin dominance has been down a lot. So Bitcoin has been being underperformed compared to altcoins and other cryptos, because it was kind of the altcoin time to shine. Let me see if I can find it. Well, this is the entire crypto market cap. Take a look at the 2 hour. Entire crypto market cap is definitely recovering. Let's go back to the last, remember that? Still, those last 15 days. Look at the end of the month of last month. The 26th, there we go. And we're just seeing this consistent pattern play out towards the end of every single month. I don't think any YouTuber is talking about that. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. But let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Should have this here. That's BTT. Bitcoin dominance, perfect. See, Bitcoin dominance is starting to make a rebound. Now, what does this mean? It means that more people are buying Bitcoin. It means that altcoins might not perform as much as they were doing when Bitcoin dominance is up. So ever since the crash, the Bitcoin dominance has started to go up a good bit. But let's see. Let's see if how the altcoin season is looking. All right, so it appears in the chart that we are still in altcoin season, but that we're kind of correcting a little bit. Look, we've had a few corrections inside this chart here. And it looks like we're starting to get a rebound, which is good. So we definitely hit the bottom. And these are the top 50 performance over the last season, which means the last 90 days. Matic is actually up the most. Matic is up the most. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow my Instagram. And if you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptos and stocks, use my Webull link in the description below. And if you deposit $100, they will give you 2 free stocks, potentially worth up to $2,200, which you can immediately sell and buy any cryptos with. I'd highly recommend it. Look at Ethereum Classic, up 436%. And this is despite all of the drops. It's updated today. VeChain, 160%. BTT still up 156%. Solana we got down there. Cardano, Ethereum. And Bitcoin is negative 23% in the last 90 days, which is fine because Bitcoin hit $65,000. Bitcoin has never hit 65,000. So I think we are going to be headed up. Let's take a look at the fear and greed index. Do I see Dogecoin forming a bearish pattern? No, I don't. All right, so look at the fear, guys. The fear is getting better. The fear and greed index is getting better, which means that when people are less fearful, they are more likely to buy cryptos. And I do think Ethereum Classic, I think cryptos are going to recover. This is not over with. The bull run is not over with. The markets see corrections all the time. Bitcoin has seen 80% corrections in a bull market. Cryptos have seen big corrections. So getting back to the charts. Ethereum has broken the level of resistance, which we are seeing that consistent with all cryptos. Ethereum broke this level of resistance here. Bitcoin came up to the level of resistance, has small rejection. But we did come up to the level of resistance. We did not surpass it with Bitcoin, but we're at resistance now. I think we're still going to continue. We're going to get a continuance here. VeChain breaking level of resistance. Very good. VeChain hit about 12 cents. Dogecoin. Take a look at the 30-minute. Yes, we broke resistance here. We broke another level of resistance. Came up again. We're starting to see some green candles. So this is definitely really good to see. And yeah, we were recovering since yesterday, 1 p.m. But I think after, and generally what I have seen in my years of experience in investments, generally when you see a very bearish market for a period, like you see like, you know, cryptos just get murdered, get beaten, stocks, there's a whole bad week where they're just getting clapped and killed every single day. You will see that next week or that Sunday night start to recover. That Sunday to start to recover, especially with cryptos. But generally that Sunday night when the futures markets open up for stocks, you will see a recovery. So we are seeing a good recovery here. And I think it will continue. We could come down. We could come down. But I don't think we would come down to the level of support nor to the previous level of support. I think we would just continue to have our ups and downs, but the uptrend. The uptrend, which is higher highs and higher lows. The zigzag all the way up, or stair stepping as you want to call it. Some people call it that. Look at Ethereum Classic doing really well. Ethereum Classic hit $40. 65%. It's up 65%. And I'm calling out some of these buys when they hit the bottom so that you can make a lot of profits even in a bearish market. So you guys should definitely check out the Patreon. I do post trade alerts in there. Try to do that every day. Try to post when to sell as well. I do offer consultations over the phone. You can talk to me over the phone. I do lessons. Do a bunch of really cool things. If you guys would go ahead and hit the like button, certainly appreciate it. But a lot of people are saying that Bitcoin is going to go to 25K, this and that. I don't see Bitcoin going under 30. I don't see Bitcoin going under 30. Kathleen's got diamond hands. She bought the dips. Congratulations. Look at BNB, guys. BNB is going straight up after it bottomed out at $200. That's crazy. And I'm using TradingView. Anybody else buy some of these dips yesterday? And Doge will be at 40 cents today, Bill says. I certainly see that as a possibility. The crypto market cap is doing really well. Let's take a look at the coin market cap. The global crypto market cap is 1.57 trillion. A 16% increase over the last day. So we're not far from getting back to green. We're definitely not far. Bitcoin is 14% from being green. Ethereum for the week, 27%. Dogecoin is only 32% away, which we all know that Dogecoin can pump up very hard, very, very fast. Tyler Mills, welcome to the Patreon. Polkadot is still down 50%. It is such a cheap price. I love Polkadot. It's a great project. It's a great project. Go back to Dogecoin. Look at Polkadot recovering nicely here. Chainlink doing this thing. Dogecoin continuing. Crypto market cap is moving up very strong. And yeah, with this type of market, this type of recovery, a tweet by Elon Musk will definitely bring Dogecoin up. I'm hoping to that number that I previously called out. But yeah, that's going to be it for the stream. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram, Twitter, and check out the Patreon. Join the Discord. We have over 4,000 members. And I will see you guys in the next one.